back to my channel. So today I thought I would just film some of the things that I've been making and show you how to do it yourself. These are all DIY trends that are inspired by TikTok because like everyone else in quarantine, I'm obsessed with TikTok, no surprise. So today I'm going to be tie-dyeing and I'm going to be bleaching and cropping and showing you how to make a bunch of cute stuff at home for a really cheap price. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I upload 2 times a week, and also leave a comment. I'll like it and respond. And with that said, I'm just going to go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to be making are some DIY Brandy Melville tank tops. So I'm wearing one of the ones that I made now, but these are literally the easiest things to make and they're so inexpensive. If you've ever shopped at Brandy, you already know that their stuff can be kind of pricey for like the most basic items. I've been seeing a bunch of TikToks that were saying you can go to Walmart and get kids clothes and turn it into Brandy items. So I decided to try it and I got a bunch of tank tops from the little girl section. I normally wear a size small and like adult sizes. So I got a size large in kid sizes and it fits me pretty perfectly. It's like basically the same size, but I decided to crop a few inches off the bottom of the tank tops so they were more my vibe. And then I could just leave it at that, and if you're not a big sewer, you could just leave it at that. But I don't know, I don't really like to just like cut things and leave it. I like to like sew the edges, so I just hem the edge with my sewing machine. But honestly, you don't have to do this because this material, like the material of the tank tops, doesn't really fray, so I don't think you'll have that many problems. That's just what the basic tank top looks like, how I transformed it from a kid's tank top to a cute tank top. But I decided to take it one more step further and I actually reverse tie-dyed or bleach dyed 2 of them. So I decided to bleach dye the black one because I just love how black clothes looks when it's bleach dyed. I think it's just really cool and it's definitely in style now. And then I also bleach dyed the yellow one. So the first thing you're gonna need is some bleach and also an empty spray bottle. So you're gonna want to gather up your shirt and secure it with rubber bands. You can do this in a pattern because I've seen some people do it to make like twists and shapes, but I just kind of like to randomly gather it and then just secure it with rubber bands. I feel like it looks the best. So this is what it looks like for me. The next thing that you want to do is wet your shirt, especially I think if it's cotton, because I heard that if you don't, the bleach will like eat the material. So you're gonna fill your spray bottle with half water and half of bleach, and then you just screw on the lid. I just do the spray bottle because it's just the easiest way to apply it, and then I just sprayed it randomly all over to my shirt, and I did both sides. Okay, so the bleach has been on my shirt for like 15 minutes, and I'm going to rinse it out. I'm kind of scared because I don't really like touching bleach, but I'm not gonna do it with gloves because I just don't have any. So yeah, here we go. After 15 minutes, you're going to see the color change and you're going to rinse it out under cool water. You can see that the water is orange and it needs to be clear by the time you're done rinsing it. So I ran my shirt through the water until it ran clear. It kind of looked like orangey in the water, like you'll be able to tell when it's clear. But now I'm going to throw it into the wash. I'm washing it with cool water and I'm just doing like a small load because it's only one little shirt. Then I just threw my shirt into the wash. I washed it on cool and then I dried it, and this is how it turned out. Tell me this doesn't look like it's from Urban Outfitters. I also did a yellow one and it turned out kind of like watercolor pastel tie-dye. I don't know if you can see it. It's really faint, but it's easier to see in real life. And then lastly, I have this green one. This one I didn't do anything with because I just like the color and I just thought it looked cute. The next thing that I made is a pastel tie-dye sweatsuit. I wanted a matching tie-dye sweatsuit for a while, and I did a tie-dye video and I never did a sweatsuit, which I don't know what I was thinking. Like, hello, it's the most basic thing to make, but I didn't make it and I decided that I just had to do it. So the tank top I used is one of the kids ones I got from Walmart. It's also a size large, and then the pants I got are from American Eagle / Aerie, and I think they were like $20 because I could not find white sweatpants anywhere for the life of me. The first time I tie-dyed, I used tie-dyed sets. So they were like pre-made kits. And then this time I used RIT dye, which took a little bit more patience trying to like understand and read instructions and mix it by hand. But I think it was worth it because I just love the way that the tie-dye sets turned out. So like I said, I'm using RIT dye and I'll have these colors and where I got them linked down below. But you're gonna take your clothes that you're tie-dyeing and then do the same thing, scrunch them up. I don't really like to do the pattern. You can probably tell I just kind of scrunch wherever and then secure it with some rubber bands. So for RIT dye, you have to follow specific instructions and there's different color formulas and I'll have that all linked down below. But basically you use warm water, salt, and a little bit of dish soap as the base before you add the color. And this just helps it stay better on the clothes. And then I measured out what the recipe told me to, and this was what the color looked like. Then I went ahead and wet my clothes so the dye sticks better, and I actually poured some of the dye from the big container into these little like squeegee bottles, and then I kind of just put it wherever. Whenever I'm done tie-dyeing, I like to just saran wrap it so the dye just soaks in and like it will look good in a few hours. I leave it for about 6 to 8 hours before I just wash them individually and dry them. And then once I'm done, this is what they look like. This is literally my favorite thing I've ever made. It's so cute. I did like a peachy color, so it's kind of orange and pink, and like I said, I'll have the formula down below, but this is how it turned out. I'm going to be linking everything that I used down below, so don't worry, I will have it there for you if you want to buy it and try it out yourself. I just love the way this sweatsuit turned out. I think it's just like the cutest thing ever, and I'm definitely going to be wearing it all the time. I feel like a TikTok girl with it. So that was everything that I made in this little crafting video. I'm going to be doing more DIY clothes videos because I'm obsessed. I made a shirt out of scratch the other day. I know. It literally took me all night and it just didn't even turn out that good. But I had so much fun making it that I'm not even mad about it. I think just learning how to sew is like such a fun thing because I learned in middle school, but like beyond that, I forgot a lot of stuff. So I've been sewing a lot, I've been crafting a lot, and I have more videos coming your way if you want to see more DIYs and more stuff like that. Like always, guys, make sure to subscribe. I'm uploading a bunch during quarantine. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys soon with a new vid. Bye.